Ice blades are normally not removed during the off-season, so you most likely will not have to mount the ice blade. However, it should be closely inspected to make certain it is ready for the winter season. First, check all hydraulic components for evidence of oil leaks. Then look closely at the hoses for weathered or damaged spots. Look over all of the welds on the frame and moldboard assembly for any cracks. The ice blade is under a great deal of force when it is operated, and stress cracks can easily appear. Also, it's on the blade should be greased. Look for wear on the blade because they can wear very rapidly in certain conditions. If you are unsure whether your blade needs replacement, ask an experienced operator for assistance. There is no standard way of changing these blades, although it is best achieved by using 2 people, one on each end of the blade. Remove the nuts on all of the blade bolts. Then pry off the old blade and remove it. Move the new blade into place. Some shops have devised jacks or dollies to help in mounting blades. After lifting the blade into place, these operators are using a punch to locate bolt holes. With the first 2 bolts in place at each end of the blade and the nuts finger tightened, then begin installing the remaining bolts. Make sure each bolt is fully seated and then use an air wrench for final tightening. There are 3 types of ice blades, and each has its advantages and disadvantages. This thin ice blade tends to wear out quickly. However, the benefit of this blade is that there is less blade surface in contact with the highway, which allows you, as the operator, to keep a very sharp edge to the blades. Hardened blades like this will last much longer than thin blades, but they are about 3 times thicker. With more surface on the highway, you will have to curl and uncurl the blade more often to find the best cutting angle. A third type of blade is the serrated blade, consisting of notches along the entire length of the blade. The number of serrations in the blade can vary, as you can see in these 2 blades. As you would expect, this blade cuts grooves in the ice or packed snow, and these grooves allow chemicals to move more quickly to the road surface to begin the melting action. When using a serrated blade, you must be very careful because this blade can not only cut grooves in the ice, but into road surfaces, especially asphalt. Your supervisor will tell you which type of blade to use.